Let's talk about electric circuits. So, dear students, any bulb it glows only when there is a flow of electricity, and this flow of electricity is known as electric current. When we connect one terminal of a cell to the other terminal of cell through a bulb, we create a closed path and the bulb glows. And this path along which an electric current flow is called as the electric circuit. We call it the electric circuits. So we have simple circuits. Let us try to understand in simple language. Here is a simple electric circuit. It has a cell, a lamp and a switch. And you can see the cell, the switch and the wires are connected and lamp is connected. To make a circuit, these components are connected together with a metal connecting wires. When we switch it on, then electricity will pass and the lamp will glow. So what is an electric circuit? Basically what we understood, that electric circuit is something that provides a path through which electricity travels. And we use electrical circuits every day in all of our electrical appliances. And we use electricity in this. Electricity is used in all of these. So what is electricity and how does it work and how does it form an electric circuit? We got to know the circuit is the path that through which the electric current travels. And what is electricity by this? So we can define electricity, that electricity means the flow of an electric current in wires, motors, light bulbs and different other devices. This flow of electric current is called electricity. Electricity is like water, except that it flows through solid metals only and we can't see it. Just like water, electric current can also travel over great distances. For example, when we look at the water pipes, the electric current is just similar like the water pipes. Just like water travels in pipes up to long distances, electric currents, they are similar to pipes and hoses for water. The difference is that when you cut a hose, the water flows out, but when you cut a wire, electricity stops flowing. When we cut any water pipe, then water it starts flowing outside, but electricity doesn't do. Electricity will stop, the equipment will stop working. When we cut the wire from in between, the electricity will not flow and the appliance will not work. And we define them as closed circuit or the open circuit. Let us try to understand that. When the current flows, that we call closed circuit. And when the current doesn't flow, we call it open circuit. The most common problem in circuit is an unintentional break in the circuit. When we have break, when it is opened from any part, then it will be open and current will stop flowing and the appliance will not work. So in a complete circuit, in a closed circuit, electric current will flow, while in an open circuit, electric current will not flow. Let us see some examples of electric circuit. Something that provide a path. We had seen that when electricity passes, it is called electric circuit. Nerves in our body, they act as electric circuit. Lightning, clouds, planets, all these, they form electric circuit. And man-made wiring and car batteries, all these are examples of electric circuits that are made by human being. Nervous system is natural. Switches and circuits. So how are switches connected? We have seen that when we switch any appliance on, when it is switched on, it starts working. When it is switched off, the current stops flowing and it doesn't work. So a complete path through wire is needed for electricity to work. A switch works by breaking or completing the circuit. When we switch the appliance on, the circuit will be completed. You see, have a look at the diagram. It is a closed circuit. We have switched on and the current starts flowing. All are connected to each other. It is a closed circuit. When we switch it on, the current will start flowing and there will not be any break in between. It is not opened from any side. So current will continuously flow from one part to another and there will not be any break. So it is a closed circuit, complete circuit, and the bulb will glow. Then come open circuit, incomplete circuit. When we switch off the bulb, when we switch off, the circuit will be open and there will not be, means it will be broken. The path will be broken from in between and the electricity will not reach. It will not be forming this, it will not reach the proper channel and electric circuit will not be formed. You understand that, because it is broken from in between.